Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to duplicate a browser tab in Microsoft web browser. Let's jump straight into it guys. Click on Microsoft Edge browser, open it, and that's an easy method guys. Just you want to right click the tab you want to duplicate it. Right click on it and click on duplicate tab. Click on it and here opens duplicate tab, and if you want to create a tab using in keyboard word, you can easily also create it guys. Right click on it and here is the option duplicate tab. Ctrl Shift plus K. I'm trying. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.